Welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a search box to your spreadsheet so that you can quickly find the data you need. This is the sample sales data that we have. First thing is we need to convert this range into a table and let us name this table as data. Copy the header and paste it here in the new sheet in cell B5. In cell B2, let's put the search box like this. Now go to cell B6 and enter the formula as equals to filter, open the parenthesis, select the complete sales data, comma. Now select the column where you'd like to pick the search. In the column A equals to B2, comma. If not found, in the inverted quotes type the text as no data, close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as no data because the cell B2 is empty as of now. Now let's test this. Type Apple in cell B2 and you get the data like this here, showing only related to product as Apple. If you type banana, you get the bananas figures like this. But the problem is it will only show the result when you type the exact name. If you want to search by partial text, we need to change the formula. Now go to cell B6 and change the second argument of the formula as is number, open the parenthesis, use the search function, search, open the parenthesis, select B2 cell, comma. Now select the column, A column, close the parenthesis 2 times, equals to true. Okay, and press enter. Now let's test. In cell B2, I type just app, APP, and you will see the results of Apple product. Similarly, you can try typing the partial text and see the results showing up like this. Here, I have just showed the functionality. You can further use the developer tab to add the text box and create like a search box in the Excel. So that's all about adding a search box to your Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.